So we have made a lot of closing remarks.
Oyo uma muthenya wa keri wa cikaro cia kamiti ya mbunge igie githomo, ambunge magithurima mendekithia ma watho maria maheanitwo ni kamiti iria yamuritwo ni mutongoria wa bururi guthurima sekta ya githomo.
A day off and just
hamwe na mawatho maria kamiti ino iramurika ni watho wigie ugai wa kigina kia mathomo ma ngathi cia iguru, watho ukonie githomo kia muthingi, watho ukonie kanju ya igeranio, oro undu umwe na watho wa kuramata ruhonge rwa guthondeka mitaratara ya mathomo KICD.
I had already read earlier page
hamwe na mendekithia maria maheanitwo niguo kugacirithia githomo kia muthingi ni urugamiriri wa mathukuru. Kamiti ino ikiendekithia arutani anene mathukuru-ini gukorwo mari maabithaa a ministry ya githomo.
To be specific, they become agents of the PS education on issues of accounting. The way the PSs are, agents of the National Treasury on accounting issues, and also agents of the Public Service Commission on HR issues. If, for example, there's a problem with the head in terms of running the school, the PS can withdraw the agency. And in the process, all the issues now we have been having here on the increment of fees and all that will be resolved.
Kamiti ino oho ikiendekithia kunyihio kwa amemba a board cia mathukuru na otagwo ikiendekithia kweherio kwa urugamiriri wa arutani na arutwo thiini wa board cia mathukuru.
In the school system, there are always other mechanisms of engaging the students. We actually have the student councils. We have various organs and various opportunities that we can be able to engage the students and get to understand what they need. Actually, in most cases, even when they appear in those boards, they actually add almost nothing because most of the time they're just quiet. They hardly really give contributions.
You might find, for example, the principal is the secretary to the board. When a board issue, for example, is sitting, they're handling cases of students. These students is seated there. We've even seen somehow, it has even somehow in managing and running the school, the rate at which even information is leaking from the board meetings, the issues of finances that are being discussed there.
Mendekithia mangi ni kuheo hinya kwa maabithaa a guthurima ukinyaniria wa mathomo. Kamiti ino ikihe maabithaa ya hinya wa kuhinga mathukuru maria matarathingatithia watho wa ministry ya githomo.
The Education Standards and Quality Assurance Council is being repealed. It's in the current act, and we are replacing it with the Directorate of Schools Inspectorate. The other thing is we want to give teeth to this inspectorate, the inspectors, once they're given. So they have been even given responsibilities of closing schools. A school inspector can close schools.
Hamwe na mangi maria mendekithitio ni county commissioner gukorwo magitongoria kamiti cia county cigie githomo na guthingatithia ukinyaniria wa tabarira cia thirikari ikoni mitaratara ya mathomo.
The advantage with the county commissioner is that they can enforce issues to do with discipline, issues to do with examination, registration of schools. For example, people coming to encroach on school land, because the county education board has responsibility of that. So that is what informed, and it was coming from, the members of the public.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Ngina wa Wandĩro.